Hello everybody, how you doing? I know it has been quite a while since I've posted a video. I've had an extremely busy summer and I really wanted to have something substantial to show you. So this is something that came from the contraption video. If you remember a couple weeks ago when I posted that, I had a little motor going up these kind of tracks going up a hill. As soon as I did that the next day, I thought, well, maybe I could build the Conveyex from the solo story using the same ideas that I came up with in that. I've seen a few of them around, but one thing that makes this different, you can see maybe back here, there's a little battery pack. I've been able to motorize this, so there's an engine back here and another one here, and it runs along these tracks just like I planned the cog train to do. So I'm not going to tear it apart today and show you the insides. I'm going to save that for when everything is complete and I made sure it's all working perfectly. Right now the engine runs really well. I'm going to show you how it works and then discuss how I'm going to proceed with the rest of the project. So here we go. So you can see this thing is quite the beast. It takes a lot of torque to move this. To do that, I really had to reinforce where the motors are by quite a bit, so it is quite heavy, especially in the front end. You'll notice that it causes quite a bit of tension through the middle here in these tracks. So I'm going to have to go and bring the pylons a little bit closer just to give the middle track some more support. And next I have to build the back end, and hopefully the train will still be able to move along pretty well with the back end on. So we're gonna see how that goes. Again, it's gonna be a lot more weight back here, and it's possible I might have to add yet another motor just to accommodate that. We shall see how that goes. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this very quick look at the Conveyex that I'm working on. And if you want to stay up to date on what I'm doing with the model, you can check out my Flickr feed or Facebook page or Instagram. I'm very active on all those, so you can join in the conversation there. Thanks so much. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming in bricks. Bye-bye.